Hello, Florenza, and the rest of the Bravo Fence and Materials team. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Florenza on the phone and I told her that I would send you guys over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites, and then I'm going to give you guys 3 ways that you can use yourselves today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Bravo Fence and Materials homepage. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. Now, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words of original content on your homepage. These testimonials would be considered duplicate content because you can find them on other pages online. And so I would suggest adding in some more original content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Now, in addition to having enough good content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is fencing Fresno. This keyword brings in over 100 searches per month, so if you were to convert just a few of those clicks into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Now, beneath the search bar is where we're typically going to see Google Ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition. They're really good when you want to take advantage of a special promotion or offer that you have going on as well. And they're a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Now, beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. I see that you've made it into one of the top 3 spots, which is great. I'm sure you get some calls from this. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. Now, this should be your main area of focus. This is going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. So you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local construction company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey, but it gives me a lot of good information. And so here I typed in the first competitor that popped up for that keyword. I can see that they have 56 backlinks from 26 referring domains, and they are ranking organically for 101 keywords. So we can take a closer look and see which keywords they're ranking for. So you want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so here we can see all the keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, how many people search for that keyword every single month. And so you can go through and see which ones apply to what you do, and you can incorporate those into your content. So now I'm going to go back and do the same thing I just did with the keywords to the backlinks. And so it's saying that they have 56 backlinks. Now, you don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. You need to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. And you can click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. Now, you can go through these backlinks. You can go through other competitors' backlinks, and you can find some on your own as well. Over here, I've typed in your website into SEMrush. Right now, you guys have 148,500,000 backlinks from 361,500 domains, and you're ranking organically for 2 keywords. So really quick, let's just see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you're ranking for them. And so here I can see that you're ranking for 2 keywords, which are good keywords. They are buyer intent and they are also location specific. I can see you're ranking on the 4th and 5th page for those. But let's take a look at your backlinks. So this is a very, very high number of backlinks, and they're not bringing you any organic traffic at all. So I'm probably guessing that you bought backlinks from someone overseas, or whoever you employed bought backlinks overseas, and they're giving you a lot of spammy, low quality backlinks. And so if you see here, a lot of these are in different languages. And so those kind of backlinks right away I can see are going to be spammy backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them can actually hurt your site more than help. And I think this is definitely the case right here. As you can see, these are all very spammy backlinks. So what you could do is, number one, you can go through each backlink and have them disavowed. This would honestly take a lot of time, and I don't know if it would be worth the effort. Maybe you could go and ask the people who put these up to take them down, but it might be worth trying to get another domain name because there's no way you'd be able to rank with this many spammy backlinks. But I think if you were to take care of this and add on some more keywords, you could get raised in the ranks. So right now you don't have any people finding you organically every single month. If we go to your competitor here, they have 62 people finding them organically every single month. Now, if they were to close 25% of the people visiting their site into customers, that'd be 15 new customers every month. And so I know fencing can range anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per job. But let's just say that it was $1,000. That would be $15,000 every single month that they get from their website. And so that shows you how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's ranked for the right keywords. And I think that you could get raised in the ranks if you incorporate the 3 things I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan. So number one, you just want more quality educational content. Number two, you want to make sure that content is filled with good buyer intent keywords. And then number three, you would really need to go through your backlink profile and get rid of all the spammy backlinks, or possibly just start over from scratch, which I know sounds like a big feat, but I think it'd be well worth it and it would definitely prove worth it. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this and you got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.